Hello, this is Chris Roshon, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. If you're looking for a great price on a good wall charger for USB Type-C with 18 watt power delivery, this is definitely what you're going to want to check out from Choetech. So we met these people at CES, but we've been working with them for many years and their products are always solid. So here's the charger. So if you're looking for a charger for your iPhone, if you have the new USB Type-C to Lightning cable and you just want a charger that you can take with you and maybe leave your Apple charger at home, you can get this. So this is one port, USB Type-C, and it gives you, as you can see, power delivery, so that's very important to see, and 18 watts. So out of this little charger, you get 18 watt power delivery. So there's details right there. And this is from Choetech. So very easy. And this is model PD1C18W. Thank you.